JJ, what are you doing? JJ, what are you doing? Why are you doing that? Are you dirty? JJ?
He doesn't care, he's just going.
JJ, why are you doing that? Are you dirty? JJ, kitty, 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 kitty.
He keeps on licking himself. He goes right over there.
Kitty, 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 kitty.
Stupid, 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 stupid.
Don't call him that.
Yes.
He's lovely. He's dirty. He's gonna slap you for putting that thing in his face.
I don't want him to attack me.
Record his face.
You're
scaring him.
It's funny because he has all that chin fat beneath him.
Don't get so close to his face.
And Pete.
Stop, Jimmy. You can't see anything. Look how big he is. He's his whole body.
Okay.
He's giant. Here, let me see it. JJ, you're so beautiful. Oh my gosh, she's so fat. Little boy. JJ. Kitty, 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 kitty. You're so beautiful. Kitty, kitty, kitty. JJ.
Mommy, do you know what I want to do?
What?
I want to make a channel from cats
Oh gosh.
on YouTube. Could I do that?
Mm-hmm. Hi, JJ. Kitty, kitty, kitty. Okay, I think he's had enough.
Okay.
Goodbye, you large cat.